Try na aga sa gabos. Good day everyone. Today our lesson is reasoning ability test. Okay, so this is a sequence. I-remind ko lang na this is not a progression because a progression has a constant na difference or a multiplier. So sa sa sequence na to, wala, 'di ba? So question is 2, 6, 12, 20, and 30. There are no common difference. No, may sequence siya pero wala siyang difference. Okay? So paano natin gagawin? Unahin natin yung kung may difference siya. Na? So this is difference nito is 4. Difference nito is 6. Difference nito is 8. So, difference nito is 10. Okay. So, sunod niya is pwedeng 12, no? 12. So, pwedeng 40 ito ang answer niya, no? Pwede. But, let's try the pattern rule, which is n multiplied by n plus 1. Okay. Do you recall? So, let's say 1. The number n is equals to 1. So, 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 is equals to 1. No, 2. This is 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 is 2. This is 2. So, n is equals to 2. So, 2 naman ito. 1 plus 2. Okay? So, this is a pattern formula. So, this is 2 times 3 is 6 na. Okay? Parang ganito na yung pattern, no? So, 3 naman, 1 plus 3. So, 3 times, this is 4, this is 12. Okay? So, 4 times the 1 plus n is 4. This is 5. 4 times 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 1 plus 5. 5 times 6 is 30. So, next is 6 times 1 plus 6 is, this is 7. So, this is 42. Okay, na-prove na natin na correct siya. Okay? Okay, thank you guys for watching. Okay, see you on my other videos. Maray na aga sa gabos.